October 19th, 2017. I'm back on the farm here. I'm actually at my uncle's farm. And we're finally combining and raking hay. As you can see here in the foreground, my dad is over here. He's raking this little strip of grass here. And also the road ditches along over here at my uncle's farm here. So I'm gonna zoom out here. Zoom in here. There's my dad right there. He's raking up and down the little road there. That property there where that little shed is, that's not ours, but we get to make the road ditch hay there. So he's raking that. Sorry for the. Then I'll pan over here to the field, and there's my uncle. He's running the combine. So this field here, I think, is about 40 or 45 acres. It starts here, goes on all the way to the woods here, and kind of around behind the machine shed here. I don't know yet what the yield is because we haven't taken the first load in, or the moisture. I never asked what the moisture is, but that's what we got going on here. Finally, we're finally doing harvest action. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening. I got here around 2:30. I worked a half a day today, so zoom in here, you watch the combine. So the combine there, and it's a Case International 1660, and it's got a 20-foot model 1020 beam platform on it. Then I'll pan back over here. Oh, my dad. He is raking hay with one of the two 7700s. We have two 7700s. That's one of them right there, and he's got a H&S AR-10 action rake. Zoom back out here. So that's what's going on here right now. So we haven't taken our first load in because our truck's not full. Believe it or not, we're only a very, very small farm here, but we have our own semi, and that is, I'm gonna pan around over here, is sitting. You can kind of see it there, right there by the front of that, or behind that gravity box. So go back over here to the combining. What I can tell you about our soybeans, that the brand of seed is Federal Hybrids. I don't know about the variety. I'll see if I can find a bag, and I'll be able to tell you what the variety is. So this is what I got going on here. I'll be home here tomorrow, which will be Friday, and I think Saturday I'll be here. So hopefully get some a lot more action for you guys. So hang tight and stick around. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Front.